Hello, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to be discussing the 4 things that turn a boy into a man. Male psychology is a complex and fascinating topic, and we hope to shed some light on it with this video. There are certain characteristics that define a man, and it's important to understand what they are and how they develop. These 4 things are not a definitive list, but they are some of the most important aspects of male psychology that can help a boy mature into a man. Let's dive into the 4 things that turn a boy into a man. The first thing that turns a boy into a man is responsibility. A boy becomes a man when he starts to take responsibility for his actions, his life, and the people around him. This means accepting the consequences of his decisions and actions, and taking ownership of his mistakes. Taking responsibility is not easy, but it's an essential part of growing up. It's easy to blame others or make excuses, but a true man takes responsibility for his actions and strives to make things right. This responsibility can manifest in different ways, such as taking care of his family, being a reliable friend, or being accountable for his work. Whatever the case may be, a man takes responsibility seriously and strives to be a trustworthy and dependable person. The second thing that turns a boy into a man is self-discipline. A man understands that discipline is necessary to achieve his goals, and he works hard to develop self-control and self-mastery. Self-discipline is the ability to control oneself and to resist temptation. It's the ability to delay gratification and to prioritize long-term goals over short-term desires. A man with self-discipline can stay focused on his objectives and work steadily towards achieving them. Self-discipline is not something that comes naturally to everyone. It takes time and effort to develop this trait, but it's an essential part of becoming a man. A disciplined man can withstand challenges and adversity, and he can emerge stronger and more resilient from difficult situations. The third thing that turns a boy into a man is emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize and manage one's own emotions, as well as to understand and empathize with the emotions of others. A man with emotional intelligence is in touch with his feelings and can express them in a healthy and constructive way. He's also able to recognize the emotions of others and respond appropriately, whether that means offering support, empathy, or simply a listening ear. Emotional intelligence is important because it allows a man to form strong and meaningful relationships with others. It helps him to connect with others on a deeper level, and it allows him to navigate the complexities of social interactions more effectively. The fourth and final thing that turns a boy into a man is integrity. Integrity is the quality of being honest, ethical, and principled. A man with integrity is true to his word and his values, even in the face of adversity. Integrity is important because it allows a man to be true to himself and to others. It allows him to stand up for what he believes in and to do the right thing, even when it's not easy. A man with integrity is respected and admired by others, and he can be trusted to do the right thing. As we've discussed, responsibility means taking ownership of one's actions and decisions. Self-discipline is the ability to control oneself and delay gratification in order to achieve long-term goals. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage one's own emotions, as well as empathize with others. And finally, integrity is the quality of being honest, ethical, and principled. Together, these 4 traits form the foundation of male psychology and help to shape a boy into a man. It's important to note that these traits are not limited to men and can be developed by anyone who wants to become a mature and responsible adult. In conclusion, we hope that this video has provided you with some insight into the psychology of men and what it takes to become a mature and responsible adult. Remember, it takes time and effort to develop these traits. But with dedication and perseverance, anyone can become the best version of themselves. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.